it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? Records Gamer here with another reaction. Today we're here with 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 himself with the Scars from War, part second. The second part this. Can't remember if I did the first part, but there with the second part. I jumped in the one and with the GSA. You know, send a phone message me. I say, oh, dog, you not put out enough reaction. Sometimes I just take a break from YouTube and forward back fresh because what YouTube tend to do, if you put out too much content, YouTube not really to like push all the content them. So it's good to take a little break and forward back. You understand? So there again, let me say, 𝐑𝐄𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 with Scars from War. Let's jump to the one and go.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go! Let's go again!
Lyrics machine in a man. Bronco. Drop top. Big up yourself.
Bronco, tears down in my eyes again. In a reason for smile again. Still can't feel good beside a friend. Everything just seems like China made.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go again!
Man said now reason for smile again. Anything my reason about and not happy, not my reason about. Cause film life not happy. Film life hard.
Bronco, tears down in my eyes again. In a reason for smile again. Still can't feel good beside a friend. Everything just seems like China made.
Yo, imagine being, you know in yourself say you is a loyal friend to 𝐑𝐄𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, and you the man constantly put out them song, your dog. You're the power in the brother. You're the power in the, yo, the man deep in it, bro. The man deep in the friend thing.
Uncle, tears down in my eyes again. In a reason for smile again. Still can't feel good beside a friend. Everything just seems like China made. Can't worry like fake these days. Uncle, scars them inside couldn't use band-aid. Dropped up.
The scars them inside couldn't use band-aid. Remember say outside. See, I talk about band-aid. Remember band-aid on my finger, yeah. Outside. Scars are outside cut, you put band-aid pan. Scars inside, you're not putting a band-aid pan. You can't put a band-aid pan your heart. So the boss will tell you, say, your scars inside, not using a band-aid, brother.
Can't worry like fake these days. Bronco, scars them inside, couldn't use band-aid. Dropped up, jealousy too active in our close friends these days.
True. Jealousy too active in our close friends these days. When you have a group of friends and you feel say yo, and a man feels say yo, yeah, elevate too much, bad man kick in, you see a man start wobbly, you see a man start move sideways, brother. You see me? Yeah, dog, some little telltale signs there. You have to just pick them up, you know?
Seems like China made. Can't worry like fake these days.
Yeah.
Bronco, scars them inside, couldn't use band-aid. Dropped up. Jealousy too active in our close friends these days. Make me no one post for my real page. But my numbers on my smile when I feel pain.
Jealousy too active in our friends these days. Making no one post on him page. On him real page. So you might tell us say yo, even that him feel paranoid about that because them got pre feed.
Make me no one post for my real page. But my numbers on my smile when I feel pain. Tears done so I like when I see it. Too active in our close friends these days. Make me no one post for my real page. But my numbers on my smile when I feel pain. Tears done so I like when I see it.
Once the tears done so I like when I'm Syrian.
Tears done so I like when I see it. Tears done so I like when I see it. Paranoid every time something feel weird. Mommy should have put fight number real. First class flight couldn't change.
Paranoid anytime I see something where feel weird. Anytime I see something where feel weird, or feel something where seems weird, bro. The man said the amount of fight when fight for them band till now. Mommy should have put fight to them name. Yeah, fight a law. Yeah. Fight law. Yeah.
Every time something feel weird, mommy should have put fight number real. First class flight couldn't change my meds. Me lose friend 3 second and Ben's life for
first class flight could change him meds. Not because so him tell us because him level up now and stop take economy class flight and business class or first class flight him take when him check out. That not change him meds same way. Him still at the same labas from the ends. With nothing, you see me? I still the CMG. Him not change, money not change him.
First class flight couldn't change my meds. Me lose friend 3 second and Ben's life for
him lose friends to the second and Benz. Remember say him a tell us say yo, him never got the car mark go buy a brand new Benz. Him never got a Benz Jamaica go buy a brand new Benz. A second and Benz. Imagine if I did brand new Benz, him like you lose him life. Eh? If them are going so because it's a second hand Benz, imagine a brand new Benz.
First class flight couldn't change my meds. Me lose friend 3 second hand Benz. Life funny like third World Cup content. Just remember.
Life funny like third World Cup content. Life funny like show. Life funny like movie. Third World Cup is a Batman movie, but it have some funny part in it as well. Especially with the Ninja Man bat and everything there, you know?
Lose friend 3 second and Ben's life funny like third World Cup content. Just remember the scene when Ratty get hell. We can't be the youth.
Remember the scene where Ratty get hell. That one time when name Capone. Where the police name? Where Paul Cameron name it? Capone. They'd reach out and say, yo, you can left the place in a rare, blah, blah, blah. See this, Ratty turn on the help. You see me? I end up dead.
World Cup content. Just remember the scene when Ratty get help. We can't be the youth everybody expect. From a 2 foot of work, then me I go make step. I try to do the right, but smarty self take a next left. Me buck up in a trouble and me never yet fret. Yes, the life is a learning lesson, my friend. The page now my brain, the memories of my pen. I see people with subjects, still I try spells. Witchcraft, but I just a trigger I meant. Yeah.
They say people with subjects still a try spells. That could mean people with subject basically out here chop a line and I do the gozo thing. Gozo spells, gozo cast spells. You understand? Is it that spell he's talking about? Or I mean SPELL, like normal spell, them can't spell R. I don't think it's that one. I think it's people out here literally I cast spells.
The people with subjects still a try spells. Witchcraft, but I just a trigger I meant.
If you know what him says spells. It never says spell, him says spells. Eh?
The people with subjects still a try spells. Witchcraft, but I just a trigger I meant.
See there? Him say it. And the witchcraft thing him a talk about spells as in witchcraft. People with subject, bright people, where if out there look a job, can't get a job. So what them have to do? Them have to there start chopping line and a cast spells for make a client reach from you know.
The people with subjects still a try spells. Witchcraft, but I just a trigger I meant. I feel travel with the 9X. Cherish life when my see my nigga lifeless. Oh no, not see killer life yet. You never see where we hide. Bronco, tears down in my eyes again. In a reason for smile again. Still can't feel good beside a friend. Everything just seems like China made. Can't worry, I feel these days. Bronco, scars them inside couldn't use Band-Aid. Drop top, jealousy too active in our close friends these days. Make me no one post for my real page. But me numb so me smile when me feel pain. Tears done so me like when me see rain. Tears done so me like when me see rain. Paranoid every time something feel weird. Mommy shoulda put fight now me real. Ever in a war with somebody where you think you for power with. Hard for your thing figure harm him.
You ever in a war with somebody where you think you for power with somebody like one of your G them, one of your brethren them when you grow up with. It's fine. You think it's hard to go harm him, brother. But I guess you have to do what you have to do because you see that you marry me.
Paranoid every time something feel weird. Mommy shoulda put fight now me real. Ever in a war with somebody where you think you for power with. Hard for your thing figure harm him. All when you win the war memories still kill you brawling. Me no go watch church but my name still go there like offering.
When you win the war against the person where you think you should have power with, the memories are gonna kill your brawling brother, cause the memory where you have with the G, bro. You see me? It's gonna kill your dog, like, you see me?
The way you think you for power with. Hard for your thing figure harm him. All when you win the war memories still kill your brawling. Me no go watch church but my name still go there like offering.
Me no go to church but my name still go there like offering. You know offering dropping a plate every Sunday in a church. But him tell you say, yo, him not go to church, but him name go there. So when him would be going there for prayers. Whether mommy I set up some prayers for him or something, but him name go there for prayers. You see me? Yeah.
Memories still kill you brawling. Me no go watch church, but my name still go there like offering. When me pray for me, cause we all sin. Missy girl cry me a river, but she can't swim. Me no like
Missy girl cry me a river, but she can't swim. Yo, the man I use some boom bookla metaphors and similes and yo.
For me, cause we all sin. Missy girl cry me a river, but she can't swim. Me no like nothing name talking. Vex with blood, come and dwell in night darkness. I'm
Me no like nothing name talking. Vex with bulb. Cause him dwell in the darkness. Yo.
nothing name talking. Vex with blood, come and dwell in night darkness. I'm love the talent for me have, but me hate people that are no style for your artists. And the past still affect the future because the law passed the ugly than selfish. I'm love the talent for me have, but me hate people that are no style for your artists.
Him love the talent where him have. Him love being an artist, but the ways where him have, him know says yo, it's not. He's basically basically he's saying right here, he's not a people's person. And if you're an entertainer, if you're an actor, you have to be a people's person because fans are gonna forward to you. You see me? But him I say yo, he's not a people's person, but him appreciate him talent, him love him talent. You see me?
I'm love the talent for me have, but me hate people that are no style for your artists. And the past still affect the future because the law passed the ugly than selfish.
The past still affect the future because the law theme passed it ugly than selfish. You never see a selfish yet?
Still affect the future because the law passed the ugly than selfish. Almost run wanted. I couldn't vent, so I start sing. You should have listened when I wanted. Tears down in my eyes again. Me no reason for smile again. Still can't feel good beside a friend. Everything just seems like China made. Can't know who real or fake these days. Bronco, scars them inside, couldn't use band-aid.
Wow. La boss, bro. I don't know all La boss keep coming up with these concepts and these lyrics. La boss is dancehall therapy, bro. La boss is dancehall therapist. La boss is dancehall therapist. That's all I'm gonna say, bro. He's dancehall therapist. La boss is in a one lane by himself. La boss create a whole different genre for himself, brother. Yeah. Him create a whole different genre for himself, dog. Like, me don't know. What should this genre name? I don't know, but it is a whole different genre, dog. It is a whole different genre. La bass genre is a la bass genre, bro. Bro, la bass, look up yourself, dog. Look up yourself, bro. This is gonna lead on until, guys. If you don't enjoy that one, I want to see more from a G. If you don't miss me, drop a like on the video. We there see me, alright?
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And this is a rip corner.